Hello, honors physics students. How about some hints about a very short textbook assignment regarding chapter 19? It's page 536 to 538. Just a few things to say about this, and then you'll be ready to go, I think, for success. The first thing would be your units need to be consistent. The formulas are relatively simple, but you need to have consistent units. So, for instance, in number 47, if you look here, you see this is in micrometers. So micro means 1/1,000,000th. And so I like the conversion, which is in the book, remember, 1 micrometer equals 1 times 10 to the negative 6 meters, meaning that your conversion should go like this. If you have 19 micrometers, then you should multiply it by the fraction where micrometers will cancel out. 1 times 10 to the negative 6 meters is the same as 1 micrometer. Notice what happens when you do that. The micrometers cancel out and you're left with meters, which is okay. So number 47 is about double slit interference. The double slit interference pattern has delta x equals L lambda over D. Remember, delta x is the distance from any node to its neighboring node. Now the pattern on the screen, so on a screen you are going to get a bunch of black lines alternating with colored lines. So you get black, and in this case, the blue alternating lines. Okay, what's important to realize is the distance delta x. So delta x is the distance between any node and its neighboring node. Or it could be between any bright area and its neighboring bright area. So that's what delta x stands for in the formula. So that won't be so hard. Number 49, use the very same formula, but this time there's a different conversion you should probably use. Here, 1 nanometer is 1 times 10 to the negative 9 meters, but same conversion technique. So take note of this one issue that I just mentioned. Delta x is always the distance from either bright to its next bright, so in this case from the central bright to the first bright, or from a node to another node, and that's how you do 49. Let's skip ahead to the only other kind of formula that you'll be asked about regarding the text assignment, that's single slit. So single slit goes like this. Single slit is x over L equals lambda over W. Recall that x is the distance from the bright in the middle to the first node line, because this distance is much larger. W is, again, the width of the slit. So for number 52, it is okay to leave everything in centimeters. So as long as you leave them all the same, then that's fine, and you could solve for this. Well, one tiny point about this. So with the single slit, instead of evenly spaced lines, you've got the brightness in the middle. So this is a bright central maximum. And then to the right and left you have the node. And then the distance to the next node is smaller. So what you see, the pattern here, is this is the central maximum. And x is the distance from the dark to the bright in the middle. So dark to bright is x. What is very frequently measured, like in this case, is we will measure from the dark to the first dark, which is 2x. So you simply have to divide by 2. Hopefully that will help you in all of these problems. Good luck and have a nice time.